Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to transform simple Excel data into this insightful dashboard. Before we get started with Power BI, let's head to the Singapore's Open Data portal to download the data on drug abuser arrests. There are 4 files available, each focusing on different aspects: age group, main drug abused, gender, and ethnic group. After downloading the files, let's take a quick look at the data in Excel. Each file is simple and contains 4 columns: year, status, number of drug abusers, and one key attribute unique to each file, such as age group, ethnic group, gender, or drug of abuse. There is no need to modify these files. Just load them directly into Power BI. Now that we have loaded the data, let's explore the dashboard. Starting with the title, there is an info icon where you can find details about the dataset, including the source website, data coverage, and the download date. First up, we have a summary statement showing the number of drug abusers arrests, categorized by all abusers, new abusers, or repeat offenders, over a span of years. This provides a clear starting point of understanding the overall scale of the issue. Moving to the right, there are 6 donut charts representing different age groups. Each chart highlights the number of drug abusers within that group, making it easy to identify the most affected demographics at a glance. Below each chart, you'll see the exact number, such as 4,000 for the age group below 20. At the top left, we have a visual showing the number of drug abusers by gender. The bubble sizes represent the number of drug abusers, providing a quick visual cue of the gender distribution. Moving to the bottom, there's a line chart displaying the trend of drug abuse arrests over time. The chart is divided by status, showing separate lines for all abusers, repeat offenders, and new abusers. This is particularly useful for spotting changes and patterns in drug abuse over the years. Below the chart, there's a year slicer to adjust the period of interest, allowing you to zoom in on specific timeframes. To the right of the trend chart, there is a vertical bar chart showing the number of drug abusers by the type of drugs associated with them. This visualization highlights the most commonly abused drugs, helping to pinpoint which substances are driving the problem. Finally, at the bottom left, we have a tree map displaying the distribution of drug abusers by ethnic group: Malay, Chinese, Indian, and others. Now, let's explore how to interact with the dashboard to extract meaningful insights. For instance, if you want to focus on the last 10 years instead of the entire 21-year period, simply adjust the year slicer to start from 2014. The dashboard will refresh to show data for the selected period. The summary now shows 32,000 drug abusers for the past 10 years, down from 57,000 over the full 21 years. The visuals for age group, drugs used, and ethnic groups are also updated automatically. Right away, the age group visual reveals that most abusers are in the 20 to 29, 30 to 39, and 40 to 49 age ranges. The gender visual indicates that 84% of the abusers are male, while the drug chart highlights that the top 3 substances linked to arrests are methamphetamine at 18,000, heroin at 9,000, and cannabis at 2,000. Additionally, the ethnic group visual shows that half of the abusers are Malay 50, followed by Chinese at 30%. The trend chart updates to display only the selected period, providing a clear view of how drug abuse has evolved over time. You can further filter the data by gender, for example, to see trends specifically for female drug abusers. Just click the female bubble, and the dashboard will adjust to show only relevant data. You will see that female abusers decreased from 586 in 2018 to 408 in 2022, before rising to 457 in 2023. Similarly, you can explore trends for specific drugs, such as heroin or cannabis, or focus on particular ethnic groups. The dashboard responds dynamically, filtering the visuals to display only the data you need. It is important to note that due to the data limitations, the dashboard does not support cross-filtering across all dimensions. When you filter by a specific chart component, the dashboard will automatically remove any visuals that lack relevant data to avoid confusion. Let's quickly filter to see the heroin and cannabis trend. As you can see, heroin abusers are primarily repeat offenders, with numbers increasing from 517 in 2020 to 1039 abusers in 2023. In contrast, cannabis abusers are mostly new offenders, showing a similar upward trend from 2020 onwards. Additionally, the drop-down list at the summary allows you to filter by status, whether you want to focus on new abusers or repeat offenders. The entire dashboard will refresh to reflect your selection, ensuring that your analysis is as focused as possible. Lastly, if you want to zoom in on a particular year, simply click on that year in the trend chart. The dashboard will filter to show data for that year alone. And there you have it, a comprehensive, dynamic dashboard that provides clear narratives and valuable insights into drug abuse arrests in Singapore. Also, for those interested in learning how to set up the total line at the chart, I've created a time-lapse video. Click the link above to watch. I hope you like this dashboard for your work or learning. If you are looking for more dashboard templates, check out my earlier videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.